ese guayo, heaven put be you forget, put heavy got to forget, and make us forget, to forget very even, come forget more forget, playing cards and guitar, piano, you know, playing what's going to more, riding the bus with the bus, make us to see the lovers, grow for them was Jordan, I am Lord, no, yeah. This is how we do it right here in this city. All the Jewish boys, we got to forget me. Party every weekend with all our friends, we say why you heaven put be you forget, put that got to forget, and make us forget, to forget very even, come forget more forget, playing cards and guitar, piano, you know, playing box, go with them, riding the bus with the bus, make us to see the lovers, grow for them was Jordan, and I am no, yeah.
Hey, shop back. Shop back, come on. Shop back.
The biggest, cheapest party that you have never seen. When the party inside, make a radio, they know go say, but they can't look what it party. They don't see it, though. Almost like the way it is. The bus, man, the bus, maybe do the red, the whole nonsense, man. Nasty, really, what I got, Baba, we fight exercise. GOGOPEACE, I can get big keys. Yes. Here we go, right here. Baby, can't you see? Right to the car, just you want to put it on. We see the biggest, cheapest party that you have never seen. Here the party inside. Make a radio, they get open fate, but they can't look what it was. We don't see it, though. Homeless at the railers. We bust me at the bus, or we do the red. We all non-face, man. Nasty, really, what I got, Baba, we fight exercise. GOGOPEACE, I can get big keys.
Statue. Whose statue is that? John Stockton, Home Alone.
Bakit titira we parking?
Porreforrion. Hiraru. Paparo Rarita. Hockey team. They have a Utah hockey team now.
Utah hockey team?
Mira Fona, you remember Nurkeur Fiti Olympic. They won gold, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Utah elephant. Utah mammoth.
Yung rata ka rin tingnan niya.
Oh no. Utah Jazz, Utah mammoth. Oh na mira för med owner, nej owner Jimmy. Med I blev co-owner ka. Owner said he's been trying to send me out to go to. How to put it up in the body.